Hey there, this video right here is just part of the complete comparison. So should you ever feel like watching the whole thing, it's waiting for you in the top right hand corner. Just wanted to let you know. Now, as far as ghosting or flaring is concerned, you're definitely gonna get some with a 10-18 at 10, 14 or 18 millimeters. It's definitely more noticeable than with the 11-22. Just remember, as soon as you film into the sun or any kind of light source, you're gonna get flaring and ghosting with the 10-18, and it's gonna be noticeable at 10 millimeters, at 14 millimeters, and also at 18 millimeters. Ah yeah, there it is, there it is. That's the flare or ghosting you're getting from the 11-22 at 11 millimeters, filming into the sun. Much less than with the 10-18. This is 11 millimeters. Let's go to like 15. Oh, did it disappear? Oh yeah, it almost disappeared right here. So that's where it used to be, so at 15 it's less. There it appears and reappears, depending. It also depends on the angle of the sun. But overall, much better flare resistance than the 10-18. Now, is that good or is that bad? Really depends on your personal preference. For vlogging, as long as you make sure that the flare doesn't cover your face, in my opinion, a lot of the times, I think it looks rather nice. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.